Here's Clara Booth watching Mouse on TV. Get it, kitty. That mouse is calling you a wuss. I'd get it. Oh, look yonder. Look yonder. Get it. It'll be back out there in a minute. Reach from PowerPoint. Oh, there it comes. There it comes. Go get it. Watch it. It's going to come back out there in a minute. Watch out. There it is. There it is. Uh-oh. Go get it, kitty. She just can't handle that, boy. It's going to drive her crazy right there. She can't get to it. Get it, kitty. Get that mouse. That mouse is talking bad about you. I will get it. Go get it. Yeah. Get that mouse. Come on. Wait a minute. It'll be back out there in a minute. There it is. That mouse just toying with you. All it's doing. There it comes. There it comes. Hey, look out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh. There it is. There it is. There it is. Look out. There's another. Go get it. Go get it. Look out. Get it, kitty. Get that mouse. Yeah, go get. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's a whole parcel of them up right now. Oh my goodness, got the whole floor full of them. Oh my god. Get it, kitty. Get it. Come out of you. Get that mouse. Get up there. Boy, you're about to drive her crazy if you can't get it. Look at it. Get him, kitty. Get that mouse. Jump in that TV right there and get it. It went around behind it. Now she's looking around behind it, thought the mouse went around behind the TV. Uh-oh. Watch out. Here it comes. There it is. Get it, kitty. Get it. Get that mouse. Get that mouse. Uh-oh. Where'd it go, that kid? There they come. They just toying with you. They letting you know you can't get to them. There it is, kitty. Watch them. Uh-oh. There it is. Okay, kitty. Get it. Yeah, there you go. Get that mouse. All right. Have you had enough of this and realized you can't get in there to them? Get him, kitty. Get that mouse. There it is. Look at him. They come all around. Get it. You all done had that one. You get it, kitty. Clara Booth's having time this morning chasing these mouse. And all right. There it comes. There it is. Get it. Grab it. Grab that thing. Get that mouse right there. That mouse is talking bad about you, kitty. It says you ain't no good, you can't catch him. He's playing all around you and you can't even get it. I don't want to think about you, kitty. Can't catch that little old mouse. Right there in front of you. And you can't catch it. Well, get it. There you go. You almost got it. You almost got it, kitty. You almost got it. Look at it, coming out there, checking on you again. Grab it. Grab it, kitty. Grab that mouse. Well, I see you ain't gonna catch this mouse, so I'm gonna just shut it down. You should have done had that mouse by now. Look at it. You should have done had it. They just come right there walking in front of you, and you can't get them. All right, kitty. We're gonna shut it down because you can't catch these mouse. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. There it is. Look at it. He's up there digging a hole in front of you, and you ain't gonna get it. Look, he's gonna throw some dirt in your face now. That mouse really making fun of you, kitty. I don't like that. They making fun of you, saying you can't catch them. Look at it up there. Go get it. Get him. He's digging a hole up there, and you still ain't got him. Look at it. Look at it. Look at him. Look at me. They're sitting all around you, and you can't get them. Get that thing. Get that mouse. Get him. Get him. You ought to have that. Yeah, you ought to have that, kitty. And you didn't have it. Well, look at him. Look at him. That's a whole bunch of them, and you can't even get one. They talking junk about you. See, that old silly cat can't catch us. That's what they're saying, Clara Boot. They up there just having a conversation about you, saying you just ain't no good at all. Lordy. Okay, kitty. I see you can't catch each mouse, so I'm gonna just shut it down. You ain't catching these mouse. You ain't doing your job, kitty. Get him, get the tail. Grab him by the tail. All right, okay.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please help us grow our channel by hitting the subscribe button, the notification bell, and leave us a comment. And remember, subscribing is free to you. God bless you.